One sunny morning, the family sits in the living room. Dad has a big idea. He wants to go on a desert adventure.
Wow, a desert adventure sounds fun.
It will be. Let's look at the map.
I want to see big sand dunes.
We will, buddy. It'll be an adventure.
With lots of snacks. Yay! Awesome! I want to see camels.
Camels, we'll see lots of them.
And ride them too? Yeah, camels! Water bottles are in.
And snacks for energy.
Hat for the sun. Good job, everyone.
Almost ready for our adventure. Pack food, water, hats, and a map.
I'm packing my hat.
Great job, everyone.
Ready for adventure.
We need water and food.
Okay, Mommy.
Perfect. Are we ready?
Looks like it.
I packed my hat.
Great job, everyone. Let's check the map.
Looks like we're all set.
I packed the map. I packed snacks. We've been driving for many hours.
Look, kids, the desert is getting closer.
Wow, so big.
The sand dunes are big.
I see a camel. Wow, look at that.
This is amazing.
Wow, big sand dunes. Hello, camel. The desert is beautiful.
Welcome to the desert.
This camel is very tall.
The camel walks slowly.
This is fun.
Let us set our tent here.
This is a good place for camp.
I like our desert camp. Me too.
Look at the stars.
The sky is full of stars.
The desert night is beautiful.
The sand is soft. My feet go inside the sand. This is funny. Yeah. Look, a small lizard. It runs very fast. Hello, little lizard.
Drink water, children.
The sun is very hot. My hat helps me.
Children climb a big sand dune. Then they slide down.
I'm sliding to the sun.
Look at the birds.
They fly very high.
The sky is beautiful. It really is.
Look at the birds.
They fly very high.
The sky is beautiful. It really is. Who made these footprints? Maybe a camel or a fox or all that. Hello, camel! The camel is friendly. It is very tall. Let us build a castle. I will make the tower. This is my house.
Look at the sunset.
It is beautiful.
The sky has many colors. A cool wind blows at night.
The wind is cool.
I like the night desert.
It feels peaceful.
Morning comes in the desert. Good morning, everyone.
The sunrise is beautiful.
Today is a new day.
Today we go home.
I will miss the desert.
This trip was fun.
I love this adventure.
Let's pack up. This was a wonderful trip.
Family adventures are special.
I learned many things.
Let us come again.